I know, it's on there. Okay, let's just have a look. Page 167, example 10. Now, it says that something cost $250,000. Michaela,
Yes.
it's got a useful life of 10 years.
Okay.
Useful for 10 years.
It's useless.
And then how do I work out how much I can depreciate each year?
Sorry, what? What's the word you're using?
I divide by.
I was going to say you divide that by
You divide that by that.
the number of years. Yeah.
So that's the number of years, that's the original cost. And so that works out to 25,000, cross these out, 25,000 per year. Now, is everyone happy? That is called a rate. It's called a rate, 25,000 per year. Okay? Yep.
What did they buy for $250,000? I need to write that.
Maybe a tractor.
A house.
That's
Can you buy a house with that much money?
You'd probably need a bit more, but...
250,000.
No, just something that's going to wear out. Michaela, just think a fancy photocopier. Okay, they buy a fancy photocopier for $250,000. It's got 10-year life, and then it depreciates $25,000 a year. Okay, now this is a rate. Now, if it's depreciating the same amount each year, then I can make it look like a straight line, because a straight line will be, that's the number of years, that's the value. What did we start at? Michaela, what's it worth to start off with?
$250,000.
$250,000. So we put 250 up here.
So we actually have to draw a graph.
No, this is to picture it in your head.
But we're going to have to draw a graph
No.
on the test. Okay.
No. So that's where it starts. Every year, every time you go across 1 year, it drops $25,000. Another year, $25,000. Third year, $25,000. Fourth year, $25,000. Fifth year, $25,000. Sixth year, $25,000. Seventh year, $25,000. Eighth year, $25,000. Ninth year, $25,000. 10th year, it's down to zero. Is that okay? It steps down. Every year it drops $25,000. So if it drops $25,000 every year, that's minus 25,000. That's the drop. That's the change in dollars per year. Okay, $25,000 per year. That's the rate. That's the slope of that line. Now, Brandon, the equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. C is where it cuts the y-intercept. So that's $250,000. M is how much it's dropping each year. It's minus 25,000 per year. So the slope is minus 25,000 per year. Okay? On our calculators, we've only got X and Y. So I have to put it in like that. Okay, now where do I put it in? Unfortunately, girls and boys, I don't have a calculator on the screen because no one's bought me one. So I go menu, there we go, menu 7. And menu 7 is a table. Okay, you're there?
I don't know because you gave it to me.
Yeah, menu 7. Hit menu 7. Hit menu, and then hit 7. Give us a look what you got. Okay, now clear them away.
So it goes down one every time?
Goes down, goes across 1 and down 250,000, 25,000 each time. Have you deleted them? Okay. Just hit delete, then delete all. How many are there? Okay. Now, here we go. I need to type that into my calculator. So it's minus 25,000x plus 250,000 minus 25,123 X plus 25,0123. Execute. Now, I have to set that up. So I hit set. I start at 0. Execute. I end in 10 years because that's what the question told me. Execute. Steps are 1. Execute. Draw the table. There it is for me. I'm just going to pause you while I just put this on the board.